Dubai's strategic location geographically makes it the perfect hub. It's kind of the link between the East and the West. It's historically was known as the trading community, but it's grown to be a knowledge and service-based economy. And the last decade, the government has shown serious interest in building up the creative sector. They want to attract international talent, international designers. They want to nurture local designers. And one such recent example is the Dubai Design District, which is proving to be a big success. The D3, as it is called, is meant to be a creative community. It already has a lot of international brands retailing out from there. It has creative clubs. It's got the Fashion Council. So yeah, UAE as a market in the region is one of the highest design revenues generator. And I think for the creative community, the population here is so diverse that it also makes it very interesting and challenging for them to work in a market like this. Oh, December, interesting month. Just as I speak, the Dubai International Film Festival has kicked off. So it's on to the 14th of December, and they've got an interesting business platform within the film festival. It's called the Dubai Film Market. And that's where the buyers and sellers meet. That's where a lot of co-production projects happen. That's the place where a lot of debates and discussion on the industry goes on. We also have the Meet D3 event, the Meet Dubai Design District event, which is designed to attract footfall into the space. I think thereby increasing businesses for the local players there. It's also built around being a community event. So there are a lot of things for kids happening. It's an interesting thing to go to. It's a 3-day event. It started. It starts today and goes on to the 10th of December. So these are the two key things we in Dubai are excited about. If I had to pick and choose one, I would say that with Expo 2020 coming up, there is a specific demand to kind of accommodate the influx of visitors we're going to have, which runs into millions by 2020. So the government has got involved. They've said they'll provide incentives to investors and developers who are able to build a mid-market hotel segment. And by then, I think what we expect is more demand and opportunities for ancillary businesses, for the supply chain, say a design consultant and a brand agency with the hospitality sector expertise. These are the type of businesses that will follow, following the kind of interest and demand that is coming from UAE. And it's to give you an example of the kind of incentives, the Dubai Tourism and Commerce Marketing Authority has agreed to waive off a lot of fees around developments to developers who finished the project by 2017. So there's a lot of opportunities that are going to come up surrounding that. If you're a company who's looking to visit the market for an introduction, for an understanding, I would say plan and research the market well in advance. We're here to help you. Choose your visit around a specific trade show if possible, so you get an industry specific outlook and understanding. And don't go for the traditional way of choosing trade shows. If you are a design agency with say a hospitality sector experience, as I mentioned before, look at visiting during Cityscape, which is a real estate show. Look at visiting during the Index, Interior Design show. You'll meet your pool of contacts there. And it's always best if you set up meetings in advance, so you maximize your time. Reach out to us. When I say advance, I'd say at least a month or two, because Dubai is a very busy place. A lot of people are waiting to see what opportunities and what connections can be made to take the business further. And I think the key word here is research the market very well.